everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. If you're new here, my name is Sam. Before we get into today's video, I just have a few little housekeeping things. I feel like that's what they're called, right? If you guys are participating in my annual challenge, 100 Days of Halloween Happy, Part 2 was posted on my Instagram, and that starts this Thursday on August 17th. We will be on day 26. And then, in case you missed it, I opened up my Etsy shop again, and I have a few Halloween happy items, Halloween happy merch. You can get sticker packs, magnets, holographic sticker. I also have this really cute acrylic pin, and thanks to everyone who has already shopped Halloween Happy. Your support means so much to me. If you guys are looking for something fun to do, join my Patreon because we're in spooky season and we're going to be doing a lot. But I've posted the August happenings, and this is what we got going on for this month. Our first movie night will be this week actually, and I'm really excited. We are going to do a 3-part, so 3 nights of a movie. Sign up over there. There's different tiers. You can sign up to join my Discord if you want to talk with me and chat with the rest of the Halloween Happy friends. We share pictures, we share about our day, we just catch up whenever we want. Think of it as like a little chat room. It's my favorite thing, honestly. We also are going to do a book club too that's starting soon. So yeah, everything is over on Patreon. The link is listed in the description below, but I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey friends, so thanks so much for joining me for a new video. I feel like it's been maybe 2 weeks since my last video. I had been meaning to edit this one and upload it and whatnot, but life is just lifing right now, if I can be honest with you. But go ahead and subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will do my best not to go that long without uploading a video. So I have my coffee here, and we are going to get into opening up some mail from my amazing community. First card. This is a beautiful postcard. It says, Vinos y tapas Madrid. My Spanish isn't great, even though I'm Mexican, but I've actually never been to a tapas place. But this is from beautiful Ghoul Nerissie. Hey Ghoul, thank you so much for sending this to me. And she was just giving her condolences about sweet Raven. So thank you so much for thinking of me and sending this my way. I hope you're doing well. Next card reads, Never was a pet better cared for or loved. Wishing you peace, comfort, and the memories of the friend you loved so much. I can't read. I love when you guys share photos of your life, yourself, your pets with me, and it melts my heart when you print them out and send them to me because I just feel close to you guys. Like, just love when you guys share parts of your life with me. And look at Jen's little sweethearts. This is Chunk up here, and then down below is Lily. They unfortunately are no longer here, so she gets what it's like losing a pet. But Jen, if you're watching this, thank you for sending this kind card and the photos. This one reads, Just a hug and an I care, with this cute little teddy bear. And my heart, I can't even tell you the tears. They were filling my eyes as I was opening this. How cute is this keychain? It says, Once by my side, forever in my heart. Raven. This is from Ghoul Kayla. This is just so sweet. And this photo of Raven is one of my favorites. And I just thought it was a very thoughtful gift. Kayla just wanted me to know that she was sorry to hear about Raven, and she thought she was such a sweet soul in the photos, and she just wanted to remind me that everyone is with me. I just want to keep this close to my heart. As I'm editing this video, it's been gloomy and rainy here in Salem, but I can see the sun trying to come out, and I'm not too happy about that. It's so hard to say goodbye. Ugh, it is. So this card comes from Ghoul Kimmy. And I love this quote that she included. It says, If the kindest souls were rewarded with the longest lives, dogs would outlive us all. That is so true. She was just so sweet to send condolences. And thank you so much, Ghoul. I really appreciate that. So this card comes from Ghoul Tina. And this is another sympathy card. It says, Dogs just know when they are loved, even at the end. when their pain becomes too much. No pet could have had a more loving home than the home you gave yours. I'm so sorry for your loss. You guys literally are just so kind to me, and I can't tell you how much these cards have meant to me. So thank you so much, Tina. I really appreciate it. So next up, we have this little witchy package. This comes from Lauren. She sent me some stuff before, so I'll do my best to link everyone's Instagrams and such, but she was so kind. She sent me these planner stickers because in every single one of my planner videos, I talk about how I don't like writing in the numbers. So I thought that was really nice of her to send them my way, and cool. I definitely will be using them. She also made this really cute card I thought was so adorable. She included some stickers, and I just love the way it looks. I just love anytime anyone crafts anything. Like, you guys know, it's one of my favorite things to do. But she was just talking about how she was sending me love and she hoped I was doing okay with Raven and everything like that. Cool. Thank you so much. Love these little potion bottle stickers. Thanks, school. I hope you're doing good. All right. So our next package got a sign here and it says Happy Halloween. And it's perfect sign, you know? This is from Christina, also known as Halloweeny Christina on Instagram. And she just wanted to send me something spooky just to bring a little joy during this difficult time. And Ghoul, you definitely did. So thank you so much for this cute sign. I've actually already hung it on my wall. It's right by my desk and I'm looking at it right now. So thanks for thinking of me. I really appreciate that. So this package comes from my buddy Sean. I've shared some other packages that he sent my way. He can draw so well. I love all of his doodles. Looks like we got some books here. And so he just wrote me this letter. And anytime he finds cool items, he's so sweet and sends them my way, which I never expect anything, of course, but I just think that's really kind and thoughtful. So this is Sleepy Hollow Sleepover from the series A to Z Mysteries. I don't remember these specifically off the top of my head. Let me know if you guys do though. But just flipping through the pages just takes me back to childhood. I miss it so much. Memory unlocked. Do you guys remember, real quick, this is the mystery at the haunted house, but remember in some of the books they would hide like a hidden message and you had to find it, and then of course they put the answer, like the key, upside down on the bottom of the page, just when times were simple. But Sean, thank you so much for sending these my way. I will get them situated and they will fit right into my collection. Next package comes from my buddy PJ, and PJ was trying to make me cry my eyes out, apparently. And I also want to give a shout out because where he got these treasures, his mom has a store and she made them. But as you can see, we have beautiful Raven. But look at how amazing these are. I I died. I am dead. Look at how sweet these are. Look at her face. Look at the photo quality. They are these wooden ornaments. And please check out PJ's mom's eBay store because you guys, she makes the most amazing ornaments I've ever seen in my life. She does like vintage ones, all sorts of holiday ornaments. I'll link her eBay shop down below, but they're just so beautiful. They're so whimsical. And I just thought it was really sweet that PJ even thought of me and thought of Raven, her memory. And I just thought these were so cool. I already have them hanging on my Halloween tree, and these photos are everything to me. And so I'm so glad that I have them on my Halloween tree and I can just look over there anytime. So thank you so much, PJ. These mean the world to me. This comes from Michelle, who often spoils me. And like I said, I'll link everyone's Instagram if I can find it. So Michelle sent me this pan, and just because I'm not too familiar with a lot of baking and cooking, I actually don't know what all I can use this for, so I'll have to look it up. But just the quality of this is so nice. It's so beautiful. Obviously, it's perfect for fall, for Halloween. So maybe I'll just become a baking champion after this. I mean, come on, look at how nice this is. Who are we kidding? Thank you so much, Michelle. I really, really appreciate it. Cool. Also wanted to give a quick shout out to my friends over at ScentSationals. I've talked about them before. They've been so good to me. They've honestly spoiled me, and they found out about the loss of Raven, and so they wanted to send me a dog themed wax burner that says live, love, and bark. And they gave me all of these wax melts, which I highly recommend their wax melts. They're so strong. It smells amazing. 2 of the cubes. They're strong, but go check them out. And then also, real quick before we end this video, wanted to share this amazing, beautiful gift that was made for me. As you can see, it's a memory blanket with some of my favorite photos of Raven and I. And this comes from my friends from the Tiki Hut Boats here in Salem, Karen and Scott. Joe and I love them. We go on their tiki cruise all the time. It's so fun. They are some of the nicest people that I've ever met. Just look at all these beautiful photos of Raven. Like, she's so stinking cute. Look at her. I just thought this was really nice. All right, let me swallow my tears. That picture right there, this is Denali. And a lot of people would get Denali and Raven confused because they do look so much alike. But I thought it was just really sweet that Denali snuck her way on there. So now I have a blanket of Raven and Denali. And I thought this was just really sweet. I'm pulling it together. But thank you so much for everyone who was kind and thoughtful. You guys are amazing, and thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hugs to you, the tightest squeezes to you. I love you guys so much. August happenings on Patreon. We have a lot of things coming up. Go listen to the Barbie soundtrack for the millionth time. Hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. All right, I'll see you in my next video.